How to grate a coconut so fine without having a coconut grater. I'm going to show you a very quick trick. The first process is breaking the coconut into half, and then using a knife you're going to separate off the coconut part, the soft part, the white part from its shell. So mind your hand while doing this. So when you get a piece like this, all you have to do is make use of a peeler like this, or you can even use a knife to just slice out the brown color ends. Now this part is optional, but I feel it will give a better look to your gravies or to whatever you're preparing of coconut without the brown part. So once you have removed that brown portion from the fleshy part of the coconut, the white part, it's time to grate. I've already done one batch, so I'm going to show you how it is done. You'll have to just slice it into smaller cube pieces, so you do not need to make it very fine or something, but dicing it into smaller pieces will ensure that it grates faster in a grinder. Now I'm making use of the chutney making compartment of that grinder. You all can make use of anything. Now if this much fine is okay with you, you can go ahead and store it. If not, run it one more time and make it more finer, and then you can preserve it in your freezer or use it right away. Quite a useful hack, right? Then please do let me know in the comment section what do you think about it, and for more interesting hacks, do not forget to subscribe to my channel.